Bitbank Wallet app. The pros, the cons. The Bitbank Wallet app is a Japanese cryptocurrency platform focused on security and simplicity. Most people get this wrong by thinking it's only for domestic users, but the surprising truth is that it's beginner-friendly while offering secure crypto storage and trading. Pros include support for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a few major altcoins. Users can buy, sell, and transfer crypto easily, with robust security features like two-factor authentication and cold storage. The app offers real-time prices and transaction history for easy tracking. Cons include a limited range of cryptocurrencies compared to global exchanges and fewer advanced trading tools. International users may face regulatory limitations. In conclusion, the Bitbank Wallet app is perfect for beginners or users seeking a secure, simple way to manage crypto in Japan. Its clean interface and strong security make it a reliable choice for everyday crypto use.